We found J&W Asphalt. It had really positive customer reviews on a number of different sites, and they kind of rose to the top of our short list. So J&W worked very closely with us to coordinate the hoop installation, the concrete footing, where to situate it within the driveway footprint, how high to put the profile, knowing where the asphalt was going to butt up against it. So all of those different aspects that I didn't have a lot of information about, and I was just winging it, they really helped guide us through that process as well. So that was just added value beyond our initial expectations. I mean, my kids absolutely love it. My son is out here all day long until the lights come on. Like, this has just been a fantastic upgrade to our house in general, beyond just a driveway. It's become so much more than that for us.